Hey guys, welcome back to Ripping Off YouTubers, where today I'm going to be making an old classic, peanut butter jelly sandwich. Now, all you're actually going to need for this recipe is some all-natural creamy peanut butter, some perfectly strawberry jam, and yes, I went out to the store today just to get strawberry jam. I'm basically paying. And you're going to want some white bread. Good old natural. And of course you're going to need something to apply it with. So I have my good old trusty Navy knife here. Nah, I'm actually not going to use that. Everybody knows the best thing to apply peanut butter sandwich with is a spoon. Can't be beat. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to grab 2 slices of bread. Make sure they're the actual good bread. Nobody likes the heel. Get that out of here. You're going to want to take some peanut butter. And you're going to want it to be the creamy kind, like I mentioned, because it just pours out. Look at this. It just... That's the way you want to go. Yeah. Take that and just spread it across the bread. Make sure all the sides are touched. There you go. That is 1 slice done. Next, you're going to want to take some perfectly nice jelly. Pop that seal for the first time. You just want to take a nice dollop of strawberry jam and just lay that on. You want to spread it out just like you did the peanut butter. Make sure it touches every single side. You don't want no dry bites. It's possibly the worst thing in a peanut butter sandwich. You want it to look something like that. And lastly, the final thing you want to do is take the bread, both slices, and put them with the fillings touching. Because you don't want to have filling on the outside. It'll just get your hands all nasty. And then just take a bite. Oh no, that's something not right with that. Hang on. Oh. It's expired. So, a reason to make an actual good sandwich, one that isn't expired, it helps give you nutrients, helps you live longer. There's a lot of health benefits of having peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Not only that, it tastes good. So if you follow these instructions perfectly, I guarantee you can make perfect peanut butter jelly sandwich.